How to fix can't install WhatsApp in Google Play Store in Android mobile. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch Settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now choose App Management and search for Google Play Store. Open the App Info page of Google Play Store. Tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Once done, you need to simply go back to the same app info section or app management section on your mobile device and search for Google Play services is if available and open it. Now simply tap storage uses and tap clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache of Google Play Store and Google Play services, you need to check whether there is available storage on your device or not. If you don't have sufficient storage, you won't be able to install any application including WhatsApp. For that, simply head towards About Device on the Settings section and select Storage. You can see that out of 128 GB, there is 124 GB used and only 4 GB space is there. If there is any unnecessary files or any documents consuming a space, you can simply open it and delete it and clean up all the space. And once done, you will successfully be able to install WhatsApp in Google Play Store in Android mobile. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.